Just yesterday morning, you let me know you were gone. Suzanne and the plans they made put an end to you. I walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You gotta help me make a stand. You just gotta see me through another day. My body is aching and my time is at hand, and I won't make it any other way. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. I've been walking my mind to an easy time, my back turned toward the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. Well, there's hours of time on the telephone line to talk about things to come. Sweet dreams and flying machines and pieces on the ground. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. I thought I'd see you one more time again. There's just a few things coming my way this time around now. I thought I'd see you, thought I'd see you, fire and rain now. That was, of course, James Taylor. I'll do another one by James Taylor. Sorry, I'm just doing some sound check here. Hey, Blurry, how you doing? Who else do I got out there? I know we had a really good time yesterday with some really crazy stuff. When you're down in trouble and you need a helping hand, and nothing is going right, close your eyes and think of me, and soon I will be there to brighten up even your darkest night. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, and I'll come running to see you again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, and all you've got to do is call, and I'll be there, yeah, yeah, yeah. You got a friend. If the sky above you should turn dark and full of clouds, and that old north wind should begin to blow, keep your head together and call my name out loud, and soon I'll be knocking upon your door. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, and I come running, yeah, to see you again. Oh baby, don't you know about winter, spring, summer, or fall? And all you've got to do is call, then I'll be there, yeah. Hey now, ain't it good to know?